Palo Alto's not used to having all this rain and people don't know what to do with their time. We went exploring to find the best places around Palo Alto to take shelter during the rain.
I'm here at the Shoreline Movie Theater getting ready to kick back and watch some flicks on this rainy evening.
Then we headed over to the Redwood Roller Rink to get our groove on. The rink is open 7 days a week and has affordable skating prices. Beginners are welcomed. Lastly, we headed back home to make some cookies. When the sun decides to go away, brighten your house with some freshly baked chocolate chip cookies to put smiles on faces of everyone around you. Go enjoy the rain, Palo Alto. For In Focus, I'm Isabel Black.